Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change the email address on your Netflix account. So here I've already opened the Netflix on my phone, and what you need to do to change the email address is click on the profile icon, your profile icon at the top right corner. Then click on the account at the bottom. So in here you just need to scroll down until you find the option to change email. So click on that option, and here you need to first confirm your identity, because Netflix will not allow you if you are not the owner of the Netflix account. So first you need to email the code to your current email address that you are using in your Netflix account, and then you can just open your email, then input the code that Netflix sent in here. Then you can just enter the code to continue, and after that you can insert the new email that you want to use. But if you don't receive any emails, you can just resend the code, or you can also try another way in here. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks button. Bye.